Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
That will give you a clean digital signal to run multi-channel audio to your receiver, and you can run the HDMI signal to your display. With PSVR apparently been built into the PS5, maybe we won't have an external power unit, meaning it could have two HDMI outputs. Very unlikely.
Let's help you make your mark.
The PS5 has 120 FPS and 4K resolution games, but you'll need to be connected to a compatible display. You'll also need to use a high-quality HDMI 2.1 cable to connect your PS5 to a 120Hz TV or monitor. 3 February 2021.
Make your mark, take our lead.
If you want to take advantage of the new features like 8K, 120Hz and VRR, you will need a TV that supports it. 8K TVs are expensive now and will likely continue to be so in 2021 and beyond. Far more affordable are 4K TVs that support 120Hz and VRR. 29 October 2020.
Take our lead.
The PlayStation 5 uses an HDMI 2.1 connection, which is what allows next-gen consoles to support higher frame rates up to 120 frames per second, FPS, which is far higher than the usual 60 FPS and 30 FPS frame rates seen on current-gen hardware. 4 March 2021.
Take our lead.
The good news is that you won't need a 4K TV to use a PS5. The chances are your current TV will do just fine. In its ultimate FAQ, Sony confirmed that the PS5 does not require a 4K TV. Supported resolutions are 720p, 1080i, 1080p, and 2160p. Interestingly, 1440p is not supported on the console. 5 February 2021.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.